Guys, if you notice, the old Emacs task has all the codes inside a directory called OXO2 inside the root, while the new one has OX01. So if you try to run your checker on the new one, let's go to the new one. You click on the Emacs task, and then you try to run your checker on it won't work. Check code. You will see the details. It will tell you that it does not have this directory because it is 0x02 that it has, right, which is the old one. So what I'll do is I'll go to my web terminal. Let me increase it. I'll go to the root. Where's the root? Root is here, so cd into root. Okay, and I'll release the content of root. So this is the one we have before. So I can just duplicate this repository and then copy it and then give the second one a new name. So I can just do cp-r because we are doing for folder, which is directory, which is just ordinary file. Just do cp. Okay, so copy this 0x02 Emacs into 0x01 Emacs, right? And then press enter, and then we press ls. So we have 0x01 Emacs already. So if we go to the 0x01 Emacs cd into it, we have all the files of this 0x02, and then we can run our checker. But you need to know these files too. If you don't know it, make sure you go through them. Cutting, opening. Normally you're supposed to create this directory and then create these files, right? Create these files inside and then put what is meant for cutting in Emacs, what is meant for opening, what is meant for pasting, quitting, saving, searching, and undoing. For cutting it is Ctrl K, for opening it's Ctrl X, Ctrl F, for pasting is Ctrl Y, for quitting is Ctrl S, Ctrl quit is Ctrl S, Ctrl C, saving is Ctrl X, Ctrl S, searching is just Ctrl S, and then undoing is Ctrl X U. Okay, so that's what you put, and then to write Ctrl is just C dash. That's Ctrl. Okay, so capital letter, and then that's all. So you can just do your checking now. Just come back, check your code, start a new one of those. Let me reduce this to size. Okay, see that it's working now, and then we can check for the rest. Check your code, start a new test. Sorry, let me just open that point. Start a new test, my friend. Good. Check your code, start a new test. Good. Check your code, start a new test. You can just wait like this and just click on all this down, so it will just be running at the background. So once it's done, to mark it yourself. Try not to mark this thing yourself, let the checker mark it for you. Okay, so just, I don't want it to waste our time. So it is running and checking. You see it has checked, and then let's just open this one. And it has checked. So that will be all for that. So in the next video I'm going to probably make a video on how to install Vagrant.